Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be making fruit parfait, delicious and healthy fruit parfait. Feel free to make use of any fruit of your choice, but here I'm using coconut, grape, banana, pear, apple, cashew nut, sweetened yogurt. Yes, you can use Greek yogurt for yours, and then you can make use of crispy coconuts instead of these fresh coconuts. I actually bought a whole coconut from the market. I broke it myself. Okay, we'll be chopping this into smaller sizes. This is my fresh coconut. I'm already chopping it. You can make it bigger than this. You can, depending on the size you want. And then I'm bringing out the seed from the pear. Okay, and then I've washed it and washed all the fruits. Washed them. They are looking so neat. And then I'll begin to chop them into smaller sizes. The banana, the pear, the apple, the grape. I'm using the nut I'm using here is a cashew nut. Yes, this is the apple. So feel free to make use of any fruit of your choice and then any nut. Good. All right. So we'll go ahead to start making the parfait now into these 2 glass cups. Yes, it's quite small. Yes, but I'm making it, at home, just for home or us to eat at home. All right. I've started with the base. I put the yogurt at the base and started plating on it. On the yogurt, I started adding all the fruits and the nuts on it. You can see this looking all good and delicious, colorful. Yes, feel free to add any other thing, your granola, and then your other things that you can add to it. All right. Ouch. I added too much yogurt here, yes, but just ensure that when you're doing yours, you minimize the yogurt. This was a mistake. I added too much yogurt. All right, so I'm adding all other fruits now to top the yogurt now to put on top, and you can see it's looking beautiful, looking nice, and then it's very rich and healthy. Yes, all the fruits are natural fruits. Look at it, looking beautiful. Yes, I have excess yogurt in this. It's looking nice, rich and sweet. I can tell you, this is sweet. Will you be trying yours? Because I decided to make the second cup and I ensured to minimize the yogurt. There you can see it's nice and looking moderate and nice. So feel free to make yours. Will you be trying this? Let me know if you'll be trying this on your own at home. All right, it's simple to make and then it is healthy. Thank you very much for watching.